late, and maybe we could date. We could go out drinking, have ourselves a beer and stay out late. But I got a heart of stone, covered by brick and bone. If you think you're gonna get close to it, well, I think you better just get gone. Don't try to tame me now, you'll never slow me down. I'm just gonna get up, gonna get right back out, get around. Well, I have bled as much as I can bleed, you'll see what I mean. And I have cried as much as I can cry, no one can hurt me anymore. And so I dare you to break my heart. Come on and give it your best shot, baby. I dare you to break my heart. It's gonna take more than you got. Whoa, yeah. So go ahead and try to break my heart, 'cause I've been working all this time, just getting it hard for you. I dare you. Whoa, yeah. The harder that you try, the harder you fail. The river that you cry is where I'm gonna walk and sail. Come on, break it. When all is said and done, and we have had our fun, you won't have your chains on me, you won't claim me as your only one. I've got one thing to say as I push you far away. Did you think someone like you could make someone like me love you anyway? The most important thing that I have ever learned is if you're not doing the hurting, you're the one who's getting hurt. Whoa, yeah. Well, I have cried as much as I can cry, just give it a try. And I have bled as much as I can bleed, baby. No one can hurt me anymore. And so I dare you to break my heart. Come on and give it your best shot. I dare you to break my heart. It's gonna take more than you got. Oh yeah, I dare you to break my